now we're getting into the technical parts of preparing for the job search. Very important that you research the company that you have an interview scheduled for. Research the company, and you can do this before you even submit your resume. You should research the company not only to be prepared for the interview, but to also know if this is a company that you want to work for. When you interview for jobs, you're not the only one being interviewed. You are also interviewing that company to make sure it's a good fit for you. So, in researching the company, here are some ways that you can do that. First of all, visit the company's website to get some information. You want to check out their mission and their values. What do they stand for? Who is their main client base? What products do they sell? What service do they provide? These are all just basic things that you need to know about that company before you even submit your resume. Check their financial health. What is their stock rate at the time? Do you want to work for a company whose stock is at $4 right now? Every company goes through hard times, but if you research a company and you find out that they're always in the news, they're always laying off, their stock rate is always low, then that's a company that might not be a good fit for your financial stability. Browse their social media for values and culture. You can find out a lot about a company by looking at their social media. You can see how their employees dress, what their team morale is like, but you can kind of get an idea of their company culture by looking at their social media. You can find out if they volunteer in the community or if they're attached to any charitable organizations, and that might be something that's important to you. Explore their LinkedIn profile. Find out a lot about companies by exploring their LinkedIn profile. And you can also see who some of their employees are. Go to LinkedIn and take a look at their employees who are listed there or who are connected to the company on LinkedIn. It gives you an idea of how many employees they have and what type of roles they have available. And you could possibly find the recruiter or the HR contact person's name there too. Check Glassdoor reviews. Glassdoor is a really good resource to check for company information. Glassdoor has employee reviews, salary reviews. You can find a lot of information about a company on Glassdoor, but you can get some company information on Glassdoor before you even become a member. Very important here, know the duties and responsibilities of the position. Before you go to that interview, you must study that job description. Know every single skill and requirement before you go to that interview because they will ask you questions about the job.